Well, it's a rainy, drizzly day down here at the Union Pacific Railroad Portland Service Unit in Salem, Oregon. And there's a bunch of engineers coming out with their coolers. I've seen 3 or 4 come out. We got 1031. The guy's getting on 1031. And some guys went back behind a 1031 in the 1129. Pretty soon there'll be 2. Oh, pretty soon there'll be 2. Maybe 2 guys per engine here. We've been waiting here for a while. Engines have been on the whole time. An engine way back there. Looks like they still have a bunch of ballast cars. They're still doing that project. Alright.